Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to use Microsoft Forms for attendance. Perfect for classes, events, or team meetings in 2025. Start by going by Microsoft Forms and signing in with your account. Click New Form to create a new attendance sheet. Give your form a title like class attendance or team check-in. Now, click Add New and choose the text question type. Type in full name so people can enter their names. Add another question for email or ID number if you need it. You can also use the date or choice question type to mark the session or meeting attended. When you're done, click the share button at the top to copy the link and send it to your group. Everyone who fills it out will appear automatically in the responses tab where you can view or export the attendance to Excel. And that's how you use Microsoft Forms for attendance. Simple, organized, and perfect for tracking people in 2025.